So today we will talk about the UNESCO Creative Cities Network. As you know, the Srinagar recently designated as the Creative Cities Network. So we will talk about what is the Creative Cities Network, when it is launched, what it is all about, what is the main objective, and what are the parameters used by the UNESCO to designate the creative city. So let's talk about. So why news? As I have told you recently, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization designated Srinagar as a part of the prestigious UNESCO Creative Cities Network. So what is the Creative Cities Network, which is all about and which is launched by? So remember that it is a project launched in 2004 to promote cooperation among cities which recognize creative as a strategic factor, which is a keyword, creativity as a strategic factor in their urban development. As you know, one of the parameters for development is to develop the city, and in the, or as you know, to build the infrastructure, energy sector, as well as the road, big buildings, etc. is known as the urban development. But in that also there should be a something creativity which defines that city or either the estate. So that's why this creative estate concept is came, and that's why this is very, as you know, in Srinagar there are the folk is very famous. In the Mumbai city there are the film industry is very famous. So Mumbai, why Mumbai is known for? Mumbai is not only known for their development, obviously they are known for, but they are also known for their film hub. So film industry, that's why it is known as the creativity. Now if you talk about the objective of the UNESCO Creativity City Network, then placing creativity and cultural industry at the heart of their development means you need to develop the urban development, you need to develop the city, but at the same time you have to be careful about your creativity. Whatever thing, music, folk, art, film industry, or anything which is known for dance, let's say something handicraft, etc. As you know, in India also there are some handicrafts is very famous. So plans at the local level and cooperating actively and international level. So this is the main objective of the UNESCO Creative Cities Network. As you know, UNESCO is a big organization and a specialized agency of United Nations formed in after the Second World War 1945. So as you know, total 219 cities has been designated under the Creative Cities Network in 90 countries, which is also include India. Remember that the designated fields means the parameters in this sector, actually designation given to the cities of the Creative Cities Network. So that is the field is the craft. If some cities is specialized in craft, known for their craft, then this will be given. Another is the folk art, another is the media, another is the media arts, another is the film design and literature, gastronomy. Gastronomy is basically food. As you know, in Hyderabad is famous for gastronomy. As you know, Hyderabadi biryani is very famous. So that is the gastronomy. Gastronomy basically we are talking about food, and after that the music. So these are the fields in which the UNESCO designated Creative Cities Network. So if you talk about why Srinagar is designated, Srinagar designated in the crafts and folk art, and this is the only second city in India after Jaipur which is designated for the crafts and folk art. This fact you need to remember, and as you know, this field you also need to remember. And about, if you talk about in India, there are the total 6 Creative Cities Networks. As I have told you, the Srinagar and Jaipur known for crafts and folk art. If you talk about the Mumbai, as I have told you, famous for the film. If you talk about the Chennai and Varanasi, known for their music. And as I have told you, the Hyderabadi biryani is very famous, which is famous for food, or if I can say the gastronomy. And recently what happened that UNESCO partnered with the Netflix to show the rich cultural heritage in India. So in near future it is possible either there is any web series will come from Netflix to show the diversity and cultural diversity of India, or there are some form of videos or literature will come, so that will show the rich cultural diversity. This is all about what things you need to remember, or the summary of this video. You need to remember the 7 fields which is used for designating the Creative Cities Network. You need to remember in India only total 6 cities and known for their Srinagar and Jaipur is famous for folk and crafts, and other is the Hyderabad as I have told you, the Hyderabadi biryani, and Mumbai is for the film industry, and Varanasi and Chennai for the music. So talk about the UNESCO, then UNESCO is a specialized agency of United Nations formed in 1945, and now the 119 countries and 11 international organizations is associated with it, and obviously there is no foundation. It also converges with the government, non-governmental organization, civil society organization, or directly to the people as well. So this is all about